Welcome to Gemini International, manufacturer and exporter of buckle and bag accessories. The company was established in the year 1994. Our stringent quality checks and sophisticated machines make us stand apart from all brands. Impeccable designs, competitive pricing, and prompt delivery help us to attain an enviable position in the industry. We offer a splendid range of bags, pullers, and metal crafts accessories. We present a rich collection of bags accessories that are very stylish and elegant. Bags accessories items offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. We are able to offer an exclusive range of buckles accessories that are appreciated amongst our clients for superior quality. We are instrumental in offering a high-quality range of pullers accessories that are a class apart. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of hooks accessories that are available with superior finish. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.geminiinternationals.com.